Do you want to know how you can delete your history in Google Translate? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your history in Google Translate. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on this box which says Google Apps and then click Translate. You can see that Google Translate has now been opened. Now to delete the history, click on History. You can see the history over here. You can click and remove history individually, or you can just click Clear All History. You can see that no past translations are available now. Let me show it to you once again, guys. All you can do is click on History and click Clear History once your history appears. I hope this video about how you can delete or clear your history in Google Translate was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.